Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new French lesson. So just like every month, today I'm going to teach you some pronunciation, basic French, grammar and vocabulary. So let's get started. So let's start with some pronunciation. So today we're going to learn the son wa. So you will hear this sound when you will see in a French word the combination of those two letters O and I, which will give you the son wa. So now let's see a few words with this combination. Fois, parfois, joie, voix. So now let's learn French grammar. Today we're going to learn definite and indefinite articles in French, but also the difference between those two. So those articles are always used with a noun and will change depending on the gender, but also the number. So, the definite articles are le for singular masculine, la for singular feminine, and les for plural. And now the indefinite articles are un for singular masculine, une for singular feminine, and des for plural. So now let's see the difference between those two. So basically we use the definite articles when we know the details about something, such as in this sentence, le chat de Paul. And thus we'll be using the indefinite articles for something indeterminate. Just like in this sentence, un chat qui miaule. So in this last sentence, we don't have any details about what kind of cat, who is this cat, and we are just mentioning that we are hearing a cat mewing. So that's all for the grammar today. Now we are just going to review a few vocabulary that we saw today. Fois, parfois, joie, voix, chat, miauler. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next month with a new French lesson. Bye!